Kings and Queens. It's Karen L. back with another video, and this is day 2 of Savannah of SAVGA vlog. Day 2. Up your mask bell. But like I said, guys, this is day 2. Today is chill day, to be honest. We're going to go out to eat. We're gonna go out to eat to Western Citizen. We met some. Grandma, what is CD to you?
CT.
CT to you?
My cousin. Her grandmother was my aunt.
Oh, okay.
What is she, my grand cousin?
but technically she's your long lost cousin.
Yeah, she's my long lost cousin. Yes, indeed.
But yeah, this is day 2. We're going to go get something to eat. And I hope that you guys I know I did day 1 kind of late because YouTube was acting some type of way. But hopefully that doesn't happen today.
Yep.
But I will get to you guys when we get to the restaurant.
Well,
So.
I was gonna get out of here.
Okay, everybody wave. Okay, everybody wave.
Wave.
Everybody wave.
Family.
Just wave like you just
Don't care.
But the roof ain't on fire, so you know we good.
Okay, don't forget about this sister.
Come on. She don't want to do this. Okay, I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Hold up. Let me do family time. No, Dad said, Grandma said to tell Dad that he could put Chase in a buggy. At least I think so. I don't know. Okay, guys. Oh, sorry. You can't see that. I'm promoting. I'm not promoting. I'm promoting. But you guys, now we are going to be shopping. Trying to find Uncle Ron. Where'd Uncle Ron go? Where'd Uncle Ron go?
I don't know, they went that way.
Oh, I see him. But y'all, this is the house. I should have showed y'all the outside. I should have showed y'all the outside. Looks like it could have been a courthouse. This looks like the courthouse off of the game house from the other day. But this could have been a courthouse. But anyway. Pop it right here. You alright, Pop? What's on the phone over on? Oh. Go and give it to you. Rings. And yes, sir, your mom's girl, so don't judge me, but I bet all y'all out there mom's girls too. I love y'all mom. I love my mom too.
Let's walk around and see. She's looking for an anklet.
We got big time over here. Right. Big time. We got Miss Shaka Khan in the building. We got Miss Aubrey Chandler. We got Big Smooth in the building. We got Beans. And we got the Boy King right in the building. Y'all see the chain I'm playing? I'm lying. What's up, Boosie? What's up, Boosie? Oh, never mind.
Hey, where you at? Oh, what's wrong with
Wait, so what we just gonna do? We just gonna look around? For what? Oh, the escalator. Oh, well, let's go through this way. There's the escalator. I'm going up on the escalator. Yeah, I was shooting. No, go on the escalator. Oh, it's open now.
let's just go upstairs to this store.
Oh.
We want to go through the mall.
Oh, we just want to go through the mall. Okay.
We want to get out of this store. They
Okay.
going back that way. You hear me?
I want to get me a little backpack for sure.
I know you was going.
I'm putting the camera down. This looks like the mall in Fayetteville, bro. I don't think this is nothing like the mall in Fayetteville. Look at this. This is nothing like the mall in Fayetteville. Firearms are prohibited. That's right. We can't have firearms. This way. This is like the mall back in town, but it looks better than it is. Look at it. Like, all those who are in Fayetteville, y'all know I live in Fayetteville. They got the map. But look at it. Like, this looks so much better than Fayetteville. They got Barnes and Nobles. They got a Foot Locker. I'm gonna ask him what we can see here. Could we look for something in here?
Yeah, on the way back out.
Okay. Okay. We got a Chinese. Look at this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put this out in 5 so that you'll be able to see everything. Look, those shoes right there. I'm getting those shoes later. Oh wow. Look at this part, though. Like, look at the I like the name out here. You said what?
Be careful with filming people.
I'm not filming anybody.
We'll look at everything else after that.
Oh. This is 10 times better than the one in Fayetteville. But they look the same. Look at the fountain, bro. I want to take a picture of the fountain. Oh, this is the kind of fountain where you can make wishes and everything. Yeah, look at the coins. You can make wishes and everything. Do I got a coin in here? Let me see if I got a coin. Nah, I can't do no quarter. I need me like a penny or something. Yeah, I'll come back to it. But y'all, this is a really nice mall, to be honest with you. Got a Pandora, they got a Jimmy Jazz. I'm gonna go to Jimmy Jazz and see what they got here. Got JD. Oh, they got Van. Ooh. Look at this, bro. I just wanna find me a ring. Look at the.
Try to get her this ankle.
Look at the pendants. I know y'all can't see because it's blurry. Wait. There we go. Y'all, look at the pendants, bro. Yo, this speaking to me. This is speaking to me. I like that. That's speaking to me. Is there an R? Because if there's an R, I'm looking at it. What's this? Oh, they got a small NFT. They got a lion, they got a bird, they got a deer, they got a lion. But they got a small NFT. Oh, they got a Samaya, I think. Samaya. I think you should.
Anklet, so we got some on the other side. Are you looking for gold or silver? Gold? Okay, the anklets are going to be over here.
I don't know there's an half on me.
You said what?
I know there's an half on me, like jewelry. But and if they do have a silver.
What, a pendant? Oh, the one back in town.
That's only $5,499.
$5,000 for that?
That's real, right?
Oh, well,
You
yeah.
guys see how many diamonds it is?
Yeah, I do. But I didn't think it'd be like 5,000. thought it'd
If
be
a
like-
simple chain is that much, what do you think that is? Yeah. Oh, they have another one.
Oh, that one's even better than the first one. It's got the 9.
Sugar. They got another one, but it's a different one.
It's a knife one. Or the one with a knife.
How homie looks. Oh, he's only 2,000.
I looked at I saw one earlier. Look at this. Look Smile. Look at this one.
King?
No, the lion. I like that one. Or the tiger. I really need to find me a job and get some money. I would love to spend. I need to get these. I'd love to buy all of these, bro. To be honest with you. I got a can. Oh my goodness. Yup, someone.
You're going the wrong way. Right here.
Right there, you. Look at this fool. Those are all gold rings.
No, thank you
Oh, gold pinky rings.
As far as like a pinky ring, what do you like? You like the bowl? I was gonna suggest the nugget style. It's the last one I got in stock, and that's like we can size it down, or we can put a ring guard on it and have you wearing it out today. If you like something like this is also a good pinky ring style. A little too big. Let me see if I got one that'll fit you right.
Y'all got an index finger ring?
Yeah, so we'll probably have to get you a ring guard on it. Actually, this one might fit for you.
Y'all got index finger rings?
That one fits pretty well.
Right here where that flag is. Nah, we downstairs. If you keep straight to the thing, what that right there, Ron?
This one.
Yo, this is crazy. Yo,
It's downstairs, but if
I'll
you
get
kept
back to you.
straight between that jury counter where we were.
man! Ass pouring! Here, come right here. I got that they get me doing it.
Oh, he got it. Let's back up.
Come on here. There you go.
We got him on his phone. We got him back. We got him back. We got him doing the character. That's how we doing.
No more.
Look.
Take the wig. Take it off.
She said, go ahead. You know you want to get it. He thought it was, I guess he thought he was being covered up over there. He was standing over there for the long.
That's right there. She don't want you.
Alright, guys. I am tired. I'm very tired, as you saw me. We playing in the rain. I really didn't want to play. You can see my shirt. My shirt is all wet. Look at this. Look at this. All wet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day tomorrow. Tomorrow is definitely going to be your day again. And yes, so I hope you enjoyed this day tomorrow. And I will come to y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna take a shower. And I'm going to bed 'cause I'm tired. I'm playing. Well, good night, y'all. Peace.